Hi guys, this is 2014 Toyota Camry 2AR engine. So I'm going to do today replace for the rear crank coil seal. I got the part in here. I guess the part number. This is the seal. You have to off the transmission for this area to take it out. We off the top all the covers, air cleaner, that was the start motor, so underneath the car you can see the transmission, the engine oil is leaking. So it's leaking in for the rear main oil seal. We have to take it out, this whole transmission out, and the K-frame out. So all the suspension to take it out. Okay, we have to off this suspension, take it out. For the steering column, we will down all suspension. So we have to drain the oil. I off the plug, get the 6mm socket connector. We have to put it in. We have inside another tube. So I can take it out this tube. Get all the fluid out. Okay, here's the tube. So then after back, put back this tube back in. So after that we have to put back this tube in. Okay, that's enough to hand tight. Then after put this, the Allen key bolt, the 6mm. We off the starter motor. Okay, 14mm bolts. Get the starter motor out and need all the connector, and you can see in here the wiring loom, the transmission. This one getting off. Okay. Here's a gear cable lever that I need to off. Okay, we have to off this to the transmission, the puller lines, and you can see the bolt in here. One, can underneath there, another one, and get the gear cable off. Keep the gear cable in here. One clip. So I'm off the suspension, Taroden, the rack, stabilizer link, and the ABS wire, and the thing, and lose the bolt of the shocker because we need to take it out for the axle. And you have to off this 17mm 3 bolt for the lower arm, and you have to off the exhaust pipe in here. So 2 bolts to take it out. Take off the cooler. Right in here. Okay guys, you have to off the torque converter bolt. You have to turn the crankshaft. You can see in here the 14mm bolt. You have 6 bolts. You have to take it off the torque converter like this. Okay, you have the 6 bolt for the torque converter in here. You can see now it's really removed. So then after that we put the crane to the hole for the engine. So then we have to tighten this one. Getting engine up. Okay, now this crane is hold the engine. So you off the K-frame bolt. K-frame. It's underneath the gearbox. Okay, here the K-frame. You can see the engine mount. The bolt, these two, and the 14mm bolts. Okay, you off the transmission out for the jack. Making the torque converter, the flywheel. Okay, here the transmission side. It's leaking oil still. Okay, we got off the seam. Off the flywheel. Okay, you can see the crank wheel seal after this one. It's a leaking of the rear main seal. Okay, going to off the seal. The screwdriver. Okay, right, it's coming out. This is the seal. Okay, you can see the seal is leaking oil. Okay, you're going to put the crank seal. It's going like this way. Okay, put it on. Okay, it's nicely in the crank seal. Okay, seal is in. nicely. Okay, put the flywheel back in, and these plates put like this. It's going to put the bolt. You put the Loctite in the bolt. Hit with Loctite. Okay. So now we're going to put back the transmission back in. We put the grease little bit in here. Again the transmission. Put the have to jack up. Okay. Here the transmission. You have to carefully put back into the motor. Okay, we put the transmission back in. So now we have to put the K-frame. You can see the underneath. Okay, we off the frame and we done the K-frame in here, already done. So after that, we install the starter motor. Okay, put back all the wiring together. Okay guys, finally we installed the top cover, air cleaner and the battery. Right for the suspension. And after we have to put back the transmission fluid. Put the off 24 of the 24 millimeter bolt. Okay, you can see in the oil is the WS. We got the oil for the automatic transmission, WS. Put the oil back in this hole. Okay, you can see the oil is running out in here. The engine start. All good. Okay, we finally done the job. Already put the oiling back in. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.